Emma stood in the school's courtyard, holding a long list of tasks. The fundraising fair was only 2 weeks away, and nothing was ready. She had posters to make, booths to set up, and games to organize. The problem? She barely had any help. Her classmates were either too busy or not interested. The school's budget didn't allow for extra materials, so Emma felt like she was doing everything on her own. She sighed, looking at the empty courtyard. How am I going to make this work? She muttered. The next day, as Emma hung a poster outside the school, a man approached her. He was tall, with kind eyes and a friendly smile. Need some help? He asked. Emma hesitated. She didn't recognize him, but his offer sounded too good to refuse. Yes, actually. We're trying to organize a fair, but I don't have enough people or supplies. The man nodded thoughtfully. I think I can help. My name is Alex. Emma felt a glimmer of hope. Together, they walked around the school as Emma explained her plans. Alex listened carefully and offered suggestions. What if we use recycled materials for decorations? He said, and we could ask local businesses to donate prizes for the games. Emma's eyes lit up. That's a great idea. Over the next few days, Alex and Emma worked tirelessly. Alex showed Emma how to make colorful banners using old magazines and cardboard. He also talked to shop owners in town, convincing them to donate snacks and small gifts for the event. Word spread about their efforts, and soon more students joined in to help. Some painted signs, others set up tables and chairs, and a group even organized a talent show to entertain visitors. By the morning of the fair, the courtyard was transformed. Bright decorations hung everywhere. The smell of popcorn filled the air, and the sound of laughter echoed as people arrived. The fair was a huge success. Families from all over the town came to play games, watch performances, and enjoy the food. Emma walked around, her heart full of pride. At the end of the day, she found Alex near the lemonade stand. I don't know how to thank you, she said. Alex smiled. You already did. Seeing this fair come to life is thanks enough. But why did you help us? Emma asked, curious. Alex paused for a moment, then said, I used to be a student here. This school gave me so much, and I've always wanted to give something back. Helping you was my way of saying thank you. Emma's eyes widened. You went here? That's amazing. Alex nodded. And now, thanks to you, we've created something special for everyone. Emma smiled, feeling grateful for her new friend. The fair wasn't just about raising funds anymore. It was about community, teamwork, and the kindness of a stranger who wasn't so strange after all.